Have you ever wondered where your money goes every month? Food expenses can quietly consume a large part of your budget. Whoa, my food budget is gone! The good news is that saving money on food doesn't mean starving yourself or eating boring meals every day. In this video, you'll learn practical ways to spend less on food while still enjoying delicious meals. Start with a shopping list and meal plan. Then cook at home, buy in bulk, use leftovers, and drink water.
The first tip is simple. Always shop with a grocery list before entering the store. First, write your list at home. Then, take it with you to the store.
A shopping list helps you avoid impulse purchases and keeps you focused on what you actually need. Okay, sticking to the list. No tempting snacks today. Another powerful strategy is meal planning. Decide your meals before buying ingredients. Let me show you. I'll start with the days of the week. Then I'll fill in the meals.
When meals are planned, you buy fewer unnecessary items and waste less food.
Meal planning also reduces the temptation to order expensive takeout on busy days. No thanks, I've got a plan.
Cooking at home is one of the biggest money-saving habits you can develop. It's easy, fun, and helps you save money every day. Start cooking and watch your savings grow.
Restaurant meals often cost 2 to 4 times more than homemade versions.
Learning a few simple recipes can save hundreds of dollars every year. Let's follow this easy recipe on my tablet. Now, I'll stir the sauce while it heats.
Consider buying staple foods like rice, beans, oats, and pasta in bulk. It's a great way to save money.
Bulk purchases usually cost less per serving and last for a long time.
Always look for discounts, coupons, and loyalty rewards at your favorite stores. Let's use this coupon. See? We saved $5. Comparing prices between brands can also help reduce your grocery bill significantly. This one is $4.99, but this one is only $3.99. I'll save $1.
Food waste is another hidden expense that many people overlook every day. When you throw food in the trash, you're literally throwing away money.
Leftover food can often become tomorrow's lunch or dinner with little effort. Just pack your leftovers into meal prep containers. It's that simple. Now you're ready for the week.
Store fruits, vegetables, and other perishables properly so they stay fresh longer. Organize them neatly in the refrigerator like Alex is doing here. This simple step helps reduce food waste. Use older ingredients first before opening new packages to avoid spoilage. Alex selects older food items marked Use First.
Try planning meals around ingredients already available in your kitchen. Alex creates meals using ingredients already on shelves. For example, pasta and tomato sauce can make a quick, easy dinner.
This simple habit reduces waste and lowers the amount you need to spend. Watch as your savings rise and food waste drops to zero. A small change for big benefits.
Drinks can quietly drain your budget more than you might realize. Coffee cups and soda cans stack up beside growing expenses.
Soft drinks, energy drinks, and fancy coffees add up surprisingly fast. A soft drink here, an energy drink there, and a fancy coffee. It adds up fast.
Drinking more water is a simple way to save money every week. Carry a reusable water bottle and refill it throughout the day. At work, refill it at the water cooler. At school, use the water fountain. Stay hydrated and help the environment.
Small daily savings may seem minor, but they grow over months and years.
Start by applying 1 or 2 of these tips this week. Okay, I'll check off shopping list and meal planning. Great start! Keep building on that.
Once those become habits, add more strategies to maximize your savings. Visualize your progress to stay motivated and watch your savings grow.
By shopping smart, cooking at home, and reducing waste, you can save a lot on food. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more money tips. I'll show you how to grow your wealth. Just click below and join now.